Here we are at Unit 204, 13609 Messina Loop in the fabulous Esplanade. This unit is gorgeous. We're going into the high ceilings, notice? The beautifully appointed kitchen. The kitchen set stays. In fact, you could move right in because they're leaving the essential things here for you. Here's the guest bedroom, back in the back. You separate your guests from your master in this house. And laundry room, closet, all the appliances stay. Okay, check out these doors. Wow, these are beautiful sliders, custom made. And you can put a sleeper couch in there and have extra guests if you would like. Yeah, check out how high these ceilings are. And you know in Florida, heat rises, right? Everywhere heat rises. But that will cut into your electric bill, so it won't be so bad. I'm drawn to the water, so that's where I will go. This is the hardest hole on Esplanade. It's the #1 handicap hole. And here's awesome lanai. You'll spend your time out here, believe me. And master bedroom with the little work area and an awesome chandelier. His and her bathrooms. Sorry I'm in it, didn't mean to. But hey, throne room, shower, aloha.